The business plan you need, beyond the basics. A business plan is often seen as a necessary but tedious step in starting a business. Many entrepreneurs view it as just a means to secure funding, overlooking its potential as a strategic tool. However, a well-crafted business plan goes far beyond the basics, serving as a roadmap for success and a guide through the ever-changing landscape of business. In this video, we will explore how entrepreneurs and small business owners can create a living document that not only attracts investors but also drives strategic decision-making and operational excellence. The importance of a business plan. The traditional business plan, why it's often considered a chore. For many entrepreneurs, creating a business plan feels like a box to check. Traditional templates can seem rigid and uninspiring, focusing on granular details that might not resonate with an entrepreneur's vision. This approach often leads to documents that are written once, then shelved and forgotten. However, skipping this step or treating it superficially can result in missed opportunities, misaligned strategies, and unpreparedness for challenges. The power of a well-crafted business plan. A business plan, when approached strategically, can be a powerful tool. It not only attracts investors by providing them with clarity and confidence in the business's potential but also helps entrepreneurs refine their strategy. Beyond the basics, a comprehensive business plan defines clear objectives, identifies potential challenges, and offers actionable solutions. It becomes a compass, guiding the business through both calm and turbulent times. Moreover, a solid business plan demonstrates professionalism, builds credibility, and sets the foundation for long-term success. A living document, adapting to change. One of the most critical aspects of a business plan is its ability to evolve. Markets change, customer needs shift, and businesses grow. A static business plan quickly becomes obsolete. Instead, treating it as a living document allows entrepreneurs to update it regularly, aligning it with current market conditions, competitive dynamics, and growth opportunities. Regular updates ensure that the business remains relevant, agile, and prepared to pivot when necessary. Beyond the basics, key components for success. Market analysis, delving deeper. While traditional business plans include a section on competitors, a more nuanced market analysis goes further. It involves understanding your target audience, their behaviors, preferences, and pain points, as well as identifying emerging market trends. This insight enables businesses to position themselves effectively, addressing unmet needs and capitalizing on opportunities. For example, suppose you're launching a sustainable clothing line. Beyond listing competitors, your market analysis should explore consumer demand for eco-friendly products, highlight key demographics interested in sustainability, and identify trends like the rising popularity of rental fashion. It's also important to evaluate the market size, potential growth rate, and barriers to entry, providing a holistic view of the landscape. Financial projections, a realistic roadmap. Numbers tell a story, and financial projections should be more than spreadsheets filled with optimistic figures. They must present a realistic growth trajectory, outlining revenue streams, anticipated expenses, and cash flow management strategies. This section demonstrates to investors that the business has a clear plan for profitability and financial sustainability. For instance, include scenarios for best case, worst case, and most likely financial outcomes. Break down projections into detailed categories such as sales forecast, operating cost, profit margins, and break-even analysis. This level of detail helps build confidence in your business's financial health and management capabilities. Operational plan, defining execution. Your operational plan is where vision meets execution. This section should outline the team structure, detailing roles and responsibilities, as well as the processes and resources required to achieve business goals. A robust operational plan ensures that all stakeholders understand their part in the business's success. Consider addressing logistics, supply chain management, production processes, and technology infrastructure. For example, if you're running an e-commerce business, outline your approach to inventory management, order fulfillment, and customer service. Providing clarity on day-to-day operations reinforces the feasibility of your business strategy. Building a compelling narrative. The story behind the business. Every successful business starts with a story. Your business plan should weave your entrepreneurial journey and vision into its narrative. What inspired you to start this venture? What problem are you solving, and why does it matter? A compelling story adds authenticity and makes your business plan more relatable and memorable. For instance, if you're a tech entrepreneur, share how a personal challenge or observation motivated you to create a solution. Highlighting your passion and commitment builds trust and enthusiasm among readers, whether they are investors, partners, or employees. Engaging language and visuals. A business plan doesn't have to be a dry document. Use clear, concise language and incorporate visuals like charts, infographics, and images to make your points. An engaging presentation captures attention and helps convey complex information in an accessible way. For example, instead of describing market trends in lengthy paragraphs, use bar graphs or pie charts to visually represent data. Add images of your products, prototypes, or branding elements to bring your vision to life. Engaging visuals not only enhance understanding but also leave a lasting impression. The why factor. Simon Sinek's golden circle, start with why, emphasizes the importance of purpose. Your business plan should highlight not just what you do or how you do it but why your business exists. This emotional connection can inspire investors, partners, and employees, aligning them with your mission. For instance, a food startup focused on reducing waste might emphasize its commitment to sustainability and social impact. This why factor sets the business apart and resonates with stakeholders who share similar values. Actionable steps for creating your business plan. Identify your target audience and their needs. Understanding your audience is the foundation of any successful business. Conduct surveys, interviews, and market research to identify their needs, preferences, and challenges. This information will shape every aspect of your business plan, from product development to marketing strategies. For example, if your target audience consists of busy professionals, consider their pain points, such as limited time or convenience. Tailor your products, services, and messaging to address these specific needs effectively. Define your core values and mission statement. Your core values and mission statement are the guiding principles of your business. They reflect your commitment to your customers, employees, and stakeholders. A clear mission statement not only directs internal decision-making but also communicates your purpose to external audiences. For instance, if your business prioritizes innovation and sustainability, your mission statement should reflect this ethos. Let it serve as a touchstone for all decisions, ensuring consistency and alignment with your overarching vision. Set clear and measurable goals. Goals provide a roadmap for success. They should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. For example, instead of saying, increase sales, a SMART goal would be, achieve a 20% increase in sales within 6 months by expanding into 3 new markets. Tangible milestones help track progress and maintain focus. Break these goals into short-term and long-term objectives, ensuring each one contributes to the business's overall mission. Use key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure progress and make adjustments as needed. Putting your business plan to work. The value of regular review and updates. Your business plan is not a one-time task. Schedule regular reviews, quarterly or biannually, to assess its relevance and effectiveness. Update it to reflect changes in market conditions, competitive dynamics, or internal developments. This practice ensures that your business remains agile and forward-looking. Consider conducting SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, analysis during reviews to identify areas for improvement and leverage new opportunities. Keeping the plan current makes it a dynamic tool for growth and adaptation. Seeking feedback and mentorship. Don't create your business plan in isolation. Share it with mentors, advisors, or industry experts to gain fresh perspectives. Their feedback can uncover blind spots, refine strategies, and add credibility to your plan. Collaboration is key to crafting a comprehensive and impactful document. Additionally, engaging with mentors or advisors demonstrates your commitment to growth and learning, which can instill confidence in potential investors or partners. Turning your plan into action. Finally, integrate your business plan into daily operations. Use it as a reference point for decision-making, resource allocation, and performance measurement. Encourage your team to align their actions with the plan's goals, fostering a cohesive and purpose-driven organization. For instance, if your plan emphasizes customer centricity, ensure that all departments, from sales to customer support, prioritize this focus in their operations. Making the business plan actionable transforms it from a static document into a living strategy that drives success. In conclusion, a business plan is more than a formal requirement, it's a powerful tool for shaping your entrepreneurial journey. By going beyond the basics, you can create a living document that not only attracts investors but also drives strategic decision-making and operational excellence. Invest the time and effort into crafting a business plan that tells your story, defines your vision, and sets you on a path to sustainable success. Thanks for watching. We believe that you got value in this video. Kindly hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing tips and secrets to scale your business.